So now I'm going to get into 2-point perspective. Now, because what the assignment was drawing some buildings outside, I'm going to establish a horizon line because we will be able to see the horizon in the background of this kind of city thing. So I'm going to put the 2 points that are my vanishing points on the left and the right. So similar to a 1-point perspective, anything that is vertical, like the height of a building, will be shown going up and down, and that's not going to change. What will change is any lines that are going away from me on my right are going to go towards the right vanishing points, and any lines that are going away from me on the left are going to go towards my left vanishing point. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to kind of cheat a little bit and draw where the building fronts will be. So like that's a building, that's a building, that's a building, just to space out my planning for the buildings here. So I'm just going to go through and draw the rest of some of the horizontal lines towards the vanishing points. Now I'm also drawing in the vertical edges, and because I'm working in pen, I'm overshooting on some of them, but I'm always following the rule of anything going away from me on the left is towards the left vanishing point, anything going away from me on the right is the right vanishing point. So at this point, I've actually got to kind of cross over. So if there's a corner edge that's going to start to go back towards the right side, I'm going to have to cross over. So here I'm going to be kind of crisscrossing back and forth. Now remember, I started with the front corner on all these buildings. So that's, or rather the front corner is facing me on all these buildings. And I'm also going to be trying to make sure that any buildings that go behind other buildings, the line is going in the direction of the vanishing point, but maybe it stops behind a building. So I'm going to finish up this drawing and kind of analyze it when I'm done. So now that I've got this all done, I've highlighted the lines going off to my right in pink, the lines going off to my left in orange, and the vertical lines are blue. So again, this is because these are cube shaped or same idea buildings. There's no weird angles, there's nothing at a slant. This is just very true to that idea of vanishing point, or vertical. So just going through this to kind of, I don't know, break it down a little bit. Whether it's a door or a window or the top of the building, it's going towards a vanishing point if it is a horizontal thing. If it's the height of something, so the height of a door, height of a window, height of a building, it's my blue lines because it's still going to be going up and down just like it did in 1-point perspective. So this has been sort of a breakdown of 2-point perspective. Hopefully it helps with the assignments. Thank you. Bye.